You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word and name as well, because yes, this is indeed a Spanish word meaning churches. In Spanish it is said as Iglesias, Iglesias, but it's also, of course, obviously a name, a surname of Spanish origin, and in English it is generally said as Iglesias, Iglesias or Iglesias, from Spanish Iglesias, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.